Kemira's full year 2023 results have been published, and our head of Investor Relations is giving again a short summary of the results. Hello, Mikko.
Hi there, Tiina.
Kemira's profitability was record high. How would you summarize last year?
Well, as a summary, I would say that 2023 was an excellent year for Kemira, and our organization and the business model really continued to prove their resilience as we had consistently strong performance throughout the year. In terms of the top line, so revenue declined somewhat to 3.4 billion. This was mainly due to lower sales volumes in pulp and paper. However, operative EBITDA and the operative EBITDA margin both reached an all-time high level during last year. And then behind this was really that our industry and water segment had an outstanding year, and this compensated then for the relative weakness that we saw in the pulp and paper market during last year. Following this excellent performance, excellent year, our board of directors is proposing to increase the dividend to 68 cents per share for the annual general meeting. Then other highlight from the Q4 was that Antti Salminen was appointed as President and CEO starting the 12th of February. And Antti has been with Kemira since 2011. He has successfully led both segments, which is a great starting point for his CEO career.
Kemira announced the divestment of the oil and gas business in Q4 last year and announced the closing last week. Could you elaborate on the reasons for the divestment?
Well, as we have discussed before, so we began reviewing the options, the strategic options for our oil and gas business last year, spring, in line with our strategy. And as you said, we announced the divestment in December last year, and the divestment was successfully closed now in early February. And I'd say that the divestment has many benefits to Kemira. First of all, it will really sort of clarify our strategy and the focus on sustainability. Secondly, I'd say that it really sort of improves our opportunities to concentrate on the strategic priorities, namely in water, the renewable solutions, and also creating a digital services business. And in terms of the financials, what is the expected impact of the divestment? So the remaining Kemira portfolio will be less cyclical, less seasonal, as the remaining pulp and paper and water treatment businesses are much steadier by nature compared to oil and gas.
Indeed. And what is Kemira's outlook for this year?
Well, I'd say that we look at 2024 with confidence as our businesses are in excellent shape. If we start then with the operating environment, so our assumption is that end market demand in volumes is expected to grow slightly in 2024 following the recovery in the pulp and paper market, whereas then the water treatment market is by nature much steadier. On the cost side, we expect variable costs to remain rather stable in 2024. And then one still to sort of bear in mind when reading the outlook for 2024 is that it only includes pulp and paper and water treatment businesses as we divested the oil and gas business on the 2nd of February.
Thank you for the interview, Mikko.
Thank you, Tiina.
And Kemira published today also invitation for the annual general meeting, which will be held on March the 20th. And the registration will start roughly a month earlier, so February the 20th. So with this, I conclude this result studio. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.